Hi, I'm Tim, the cheap 3D printer. And today I have the Maker Geeks May box. It is now, as of recording this, June 8th. I've been on vacation. They did do a little bit better about making sure these got out close to the end of the month of May. I actually think the ship date was June 1st. But I do have it today. I do know what's inside of here. Because they already send the flyer in an email as a PDF, so we can look at that ahead of time and know what's in here. And but I want to see the colors. I've never seen these colors before. I'll tell you ahead of time what's in here. There is pearlescent blue and pearlescent green. They're new colors for Maker Geeks, and I'm looking forward to seeing what they look like because I've never seen them before. Nobody's seen them before these Maker Geek boxes. So this is 3D Geek Box May edition in June. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so right off the bat, last month, as part of the 3D Geek Box, they allowed everyone to order a free t-shirt from Maker Geeks. And so right off the top, on the top is my t-shirt that I ordered. It was part of the 3D Geek Box, and so we'll pull that out right away. We'll look at that. It's a nice gray colored t-shirt, and it says "Keep calm and geek on." And it's in the size I ordered. I ordered a large, so they got that right when I ordered it. And it'll be a nice t-shirt to wear around. So, Make Your Geeks t-shirt. Okay, now to the two filaments. First is the Poison Ivy Green, which is their pearlescent green. And that's an interesting color. It's almost greenish teal. I don't know. It looks more teal in this video than what it is. I mean, it's green, but it's kind of a tealish green. Be interested to print with that. That'll be an interesting print. Second up is the Starlight Blue, which is their pearlescent blue. This is a pretty color. Nice, pretty blue. We'll see how that turns out whenever we print with that. Two very nice colors. It's good that we're not getting white. It's good that we're not getting black. I know people have complained in the past about that. The other thing that they shipped this time is a variety pack of sandpapers. So there's, I think that says it's 2000 grit, 1200 grit, 1500 grit. That one does not say, so we'll have to figure that out. 1000 grit. That one doesn't say. 800, 400. So a bunch of varieties of sandpaper that they are telling you that you can basically polish up your prints really cool by moving through all the way up to this, probably this 2000 grit sandpaper and polishing up your stuff to be just super shiny. See if there's anything else in here. That seems to be it. So we got two rolls of filament, pearlescent blue, once again, pearlescent green, once again. We got our t-shirt that we ordered last month, Keep Calm and Geek On. And we got some sandpaper to polish our prints. So that's all we got for the Maker Geeks in the month of May. If you want to subscribe, I'll put a link below. If you want to subscribe to the channel, of course, click subscribe. But if you want to subscribe to the Geek Box, click below. I don't make any money off that. I'm not a paid sponsor or paid anything, or even a person from Maker Geeks. I just am getting their product and want to show it to you so you know what there is in their 3D Geek Box. So I'm hoping they get a little better about getting it out in the month that it's due, that you pay for. But it does still come. They still have been faithful to get it to me, so that's how it is. As I said, if you like what I'm doing, click subscribe below, click the like button, and otherwise keep printing and keep printing cheap.